What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now on today's video I am going to show you guys how to drop your midgate down. So I'm going to do a midgate review. This was requested by one of the viewers on this channel, so here's my take on it. Let's get it. So I usually drop my tailgate down, and there are many different ways that you can do this. I'm going to call it a two-way function. There is one where you can leave your cover on and then drop your midgate down while leaving the glass on as well. Or there's another way where you can actually remove the glass, drop the midgate down, store the glass away, and have it open for motorcycles or ATV. So I'm going to show you both ways so you guys can understand and know the complete function of this truck. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that we can do to get this function of the truck is lift our seats up. Now you may have to adjust your front seats, which by the looks of the passenger one, I may have to adjust that up. The driver's one, I might be able to get away with. But the first thing you want to do is pull the straps. There are two straps on this side and that side on these both seats. This one is like a 70% seat and that's a 30%. So this is the 71. So we pull the strap, which is right over here. It releases, and then you just drop this top one down, and it slides all the way down and tows away like that. Now the very next thing you want to do is pull this tab up and then drop this seat down. And now you have access to this back piece, which I'm going to show you in greater detail. So right over here on the midgate, there is a twist function. So we're going to twist this and it's going to drop our midgate down. This is the first feature if you want to store like sheetrock or even some plywood. I'm sorry if you guys hear some background noise. They're mowing the lawn as I am filming, and I don't know why they do this. So hopefully it doesn't pick it up as much. But let's just drop this down and show you the feature. And there you guys have it. So this is the first part of the drop down feature. Obviously, like I said, this is for if you want to put some plywood, sheetrock, lumber, where you can keep the cover on top basically covered and have no weather expose it. And now I'm going to show you the second half. So let's get it. Alrighty, my friends and family on the YouTubes. So here's what we do for the second half. I'm going to show you. We're going to remove the glass, store it away, and we're going to access everything in one shot. So this feature that I'm about to show you guys is how to remove the glass, store it away, and this is for like the ATV or motorcycle option. So what you want to do is there is a drop tab right here. So you want to pull this up, and you want to release this one as well, and the glass falls forward. Now you don't have to be frightened when it falls forward, because there is a safety lock right here that makes the glass not fall off and break. So what you want to do is push this up, and then the glass can come out. So I'm going to lay this here, put down my camera, and show you guys where it stores. And once we pull this down, there are some lock tabs here. Not lock tabs, but like storage tabs where you kind of like put the screen in, and I'm going to show you that in a closer look. And what we do is get it in there, turn our locks, and they are locked in place. This is what it looks like. On each side there is a turn lock. So this actually turns to unlock, and then this turns to lock the glass into place. As you can see, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Now the glass sits on these three tabs right over there and stores perfectly away. Now the window is completely open and it's free. So all you have to do is basically drop it the way that it once was before. And once it's twisted, the entire midgate drops down. And there you have it. So now it's completely exposed and open. So if you want to put your ATV or motorcycle in, we have to remove our covers, which I'm going to show you as well. Each one of these covers, there are some glow in the dark tabs here that actually just pulls forward, which is super easy. Super easy. They come out like that. And you got to do it for each one. Now the very last one on the inside has 4. 2 on the back and then 2 in the front. And it comes out completely easy. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So the first one, just to make it easier for us, we're going to go back inside and we are going to push these 2 front tabs in right here. Push forward, push forward. As for the rest of the truck, guys, we are going to just start to pull our tabs and remove each one of our platelets one by one. Just lay it off to the side. And remember, this last one had 4, but we already removed 2 in the inside, and now we're pulling out the other 2 in the back. And we just drop it off to the side. And that is basically it. We have everything in the truck bed. Look at how much room this is. There's so much room. It's so easy to use. You guys can easily store a ATV in here, motorcycle, like a little dirt bike or something. I'm not sure about a quad. Are ATVs and quads the same thing? Not 100% sure, but you guys will let me know in the comment section below. But I think this is such a cool feature. Not a lot of trucks have these. I think someone was telling me that the Jeep is like this. Haven't seen it, so I don't know. But I love this truck because of this feature. The amount of things that you can do extra on this. It just gives you so much more room. There's so much more potential with what you can do. You got a nifty little light in the back, which one of my videos will be installing LED lights inside the tray, so that way it'll brighten up everything when you are looking for what you're looking for in the dark. You also got these awesome little hooks here to hold anything on, and that's basically it, guys. This is just an awesome feature. Plus, the good thing about this too is if you put a dirt bike or quad or ATV or whatever it is that fits in here, you can still keep your covers. You just have to lay them onto the side. They do fit. They don't give you an issue. This was my review on how to drop the midgate down. Hopefully it was a really good example. I'm not 100% sure if you guys didn't like it or not because I haven't posted it yet, so I don't know the future. But if I could tell the future, I would have done it better if you guys didn't like it, if you understand where I'm coming from. But let's not wrap my brain around that right now. If you guys have anything else that you'd like to see on this Avalanche review-wise, please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. I will definitely get to it for y'all. Thank you so much. I forgot who it was who asked me for this video, but thank you so much for asking me to do this review. I never really thought about this for a video, and this was a pretty awesome and quick video to do. It wasn't that bad. So if you guys have any other requests, definitely leave a comment in the comment section below. Also, make sure that you like this video for the YouTube algorithm to help boost this channel up, guys. I do not ask for much from y'all, and I really would appreciate if you guys can support this channel by just throwing me a like and hitting the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I love y'all. Thank you for all the views that you guys give this channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see y'all for the next one. Peace out. I gotta do my hand thing. Hold on. Let me get up there. Peace out.